Hi guys, are you looking for the best wireless dog fences? In this video, we will show the best wireless dog fences. So, we are going to be taking a look at the best 5 wireless dog fences you can buy. Each has its own features, advantages, and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wireless dog fences from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wireless Electric Dog Fence. Solution with the Invisible Wireless Electric Dog Fence System. With the invisible border provided by this electrical system, your dog may enjoy freedom without sacrificing safety, unlike traditional fences that can be unattractive and confining. It enables pet owners to create a safe, individualized perimeter within a square kilometer radius using cutting-edge magnetic field induction technology. Speed detection. The system discourages hasty escapes by modifying the correction level in response to the dog's speed approaching the border. Easily alter the size of the confined area by turning the transmitter's knob. Wire break alert. The owner is immediately informed of the breach when any damage to the buried wire results in an audio alarm and flashing light. This all-inclusive system offers a productive method of training and securing your pet in a specific space, guaranteeing their security while granting them the liberty to play and explore. Its ease of use and connectivity with smart devices make it the perfect option for contemporary pet owners who want to strike a balance between their pet's independence and safety. Number 2. 200-meter dog wireless rechargeable electric fence. This 200-meter wireless rechargeable electric dog fence can establish secure and efficient limits for your dog. With its dependable perimeter, the system is made to keep your pet safe. When your dog crosses the border, it will sound a soft beep and then shock them. As your dog plays freely in a supervised area, you can rest easy knowing that they have learned where it's safe to roam. With this dog fence system, your pet can walk through water without the collar losing its functionality thanks to its waterproof IP68 collar, which is ideal for outdoor settings. To accommodate different training requirements, you can readily modify the boundary range from 50 to 200 meters by varying the transmitter's signal intensity. For a customized training experience, the collar's training modes include a sound-only alert and a beep and shock combo. The shock intensities can be adjusted from 1 to 8. The wireless transmitter has a backup lithium battery and is rechargeable to guarantee continuous operation. Number 3. GPS Wireless Dog Fence. An inventive pet containment system, the GPS wireless dog fence allows your dog to roam freely while still keeping them in a secure area. You may alter the border of this wireless fence according to your dog's activity level and the design of your yard, thanks to its remarkable adjustable radius range of 100 to 3,300 feet. The adjustable distance provides the most versatility whether you're in a small space or a large outside area. Your pet gets gentle but effective warnings if they approach the border thanks to this fence's electric shock and vibration warning modes. Because the strength of these warning signals may be changed, you can adapt the settings to fit your dog's personality and training level. The technique keeps your pet secure and content in their surroundings while teaching them to respect boundaries. Number 4. Waterproof Wireless Dog Fence. The waterproof wireless dog fence containment system is a smart way of ensuring that your pets do not stray away. This system consists of a transmitter and a receiver. The permanent power supply is available on the transmitter, which is the central part of the system, and the waterproof rechargeable collar is built for durability and comfortable wearing on your pet's neck. It can operate up to 500 meters maximum, and the signal strength varies from 0 to 100 to allow customization of the confinement area. If the dog goes outside the boundary, then sound alarm starts, which is followed by mild electrostatic shock to bring the dog back to the proper zone. It comes with an LDC display for easy monitoring of the signal. More to the point, the transmitter is expandable and can support as many receivers as you need for your numerous pets. This containment system is simple to install and use since it will keep your pet safe as you relax. Number 5. Wireless Invisible Fence Waterproof Electric Pet Fencing System. The Wireless Invisible Fence Waterproof Electric Pet Fencing System is a quality and unique device to correct and confine your dog. By employing magnetic field sensing technology, this system sets up a configurable boundary that is invisible within a 1 square kilometer radius, perfect for ensuring that your dog does not go to certain areas which you do not want him to access It provides a safety net without using up space. The transmitter comes equipped with a sensitivity change mechanism to help you define very narrow, unsafe zones. Your dog wears a receiver collar, including a multiple segment sound prompt ranging from short to rapid signals to your dog as it approaches the boundary. If the sound is dismissed, a few seconds of a quick jolt strengthens the restriction and tells your dog which way to face. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.